So right now I'm at home for a few months, and home for me is like a small town in West Bengal, so it's very different from my life in Bangalore. But since I'm gonna be here a few months, I thought I'll show you guys a week in my life and usually what I'm doing at home. I'm also planning to try out a few viral recipes which I've seen on Instagram, and it's so much easier to try them out at home because we have everything. It has suddenly started storming, and this is what I love the best about the summer weather in my town, because when it storms, it really storms. Just take a look at that. It's gonna rain non-stop for the next 2 days, and the weather is gonna be beautiful. It's Saturday and I'm in Kolkata for a while. I've come to visit my friend. This is the life of a corporate employee at 10 p.m. on a Saturday night. Am I happy to escape it? Yes. But am I truly? No. Yeah, I'm good at this. Here for brunch. A bit too late for brunch actually, but we're here. And it's a very pretty place. Lots of coffee stuff. So yeah. What's up, Kushi? How's your life going?
Life's not going so bad right now. I guess so. I'm out after 4 weeks. 4 weeks of regular working, even on Sundays. So please don't join audit. That's a recommendation. That's advice. We have planned of doing pottery today. I hope we can make something good out of it. We can actually keep with us, not like the last time when I went and made 2 cups that I can't even use.
Because it leaks, right? The weather is horrible in Bengal. Like, I can't stress it enough. It's so humid that you can't step out of any place which does not have AC. So we are only looking for AC places right now. I hope the pottery place also has AC, because otherwise it's going to be horrible. Okay. I would like to emphasize there are 2 kinds of people. I need milk in my coffee, and she's having a cranberry cold brew thing, which I can't. I know I hate it, so I order it.
It's good. Try it.
I don't believe you.
I did try it.
Absolutely not.
It's so good.
No, it's too strong. I'm gonna try my hazelnutized cranberry. Amazing. Amazing. I can't imagine coffee without milk. So we decided to do some pottery in the afternoon at this place called Art Rickshaw. We were free to choose any design we wanted, and honestly this was one of the best ways to spend an afternoon, just yapping away and catching up in a very relaxing environment. It's not bad.
It's not bad, it's good, okay.
It's okay for the first attempt. To leave this for a couple of days to bake and then we can paint it later. So that will be next time. She has shells and pearls in her shell tray. This better look better when we paint it. Otherwise right now it's not giving hope. But it was a fun session.
Hey, it looks good, okay.
Sure.